Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you vegetarian recipe, a miracle out of potatoes and zucchini. If you like our video, please don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So let's see what type of ingredients we need to make this delicious recipe. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. If you don't have pepper paste, you can use tomato paste, doesn't matter guys, up to you. Then you're gonna need 1 onion, 2 potatoes, and 3 zucchinis. Also, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of white rice. Then you're gonna need also daphne leaves. I'm using 3 pieces here guys. Then of course, we are gonna use our amazing spices. So what do we have here? We have here spicy red pepper, we have black pepper, then we have red sweet pepper, we've got dried vegetables, little bit of salt. We try not to use salt guys, and if you want to use more salt, it's up to you guys. We have here dried mint and timian. Again guys, here I'd like to mention that if you don't have this type of spices, you can use any type of spice that you like. So we are gonna get started with opening the fire in medium level. Then we add our olive oil, as I told you, 2 tablespoons. We are gonna wait until olive oil gets warm. We start adding our thick chopped onions. Them up. And we are gonna add our potatoes. As you see here, I have chopped the potatoes like this. I've just cut in half, and then all of those I have separated like this. They are not very thin or not thick, medium size. You are gonna mix your potatoes with onions. On medium fire, we are gonna add now our zucchini. Again, zucchinis you cut in half, and then you cut like half moon, half circle. All right. So guys, then you add your pepper paste and mix them well. So guys, mix them well. Once you've done that, you're gonna take your rice. I've washed the rice already, so you wash your rice. Here I've got 2 tablespoons. Then you add them on top of the food. After the rice, you're gonna take your spices. You're gonna mix them well. So I mix them with my hands here. It smells good. And then I'm gonna just spread them all. Once you've mixed them all, you're gonna take boiled water and add. Make sure that all the water covers all the food. So mix them again. Just make sure that all the vegetables are inside the water, covered with water. Now close the top of the pan. and we are gonna leave it like this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, I'm adding three daphne leaves, guys. Make sure that they are soaked in the soup, and then you can leave them for 5 minutes more. Guys, after 5 minutes more, as you see, daphne leaves have put their smell here, and when you mix them, you see all the nice vegetables and daphne leaves. Guys, if you like our video, please don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel if you want. Bon appetit. Have a nice day. Bye bye.